Hey there, 7th grade students. This is your first video of the year. This one's on some of the science safety equipment in your classroom. Remember, science safety is ongoing and everyone's responsibility. Whether you have Mrs. Hockley, Mr. Reisinger, or Mrs. Greathouse, science safety matters. Let's start with something simple, the exit. In case of an emergency, we're going to go out the door that leads to the hallway, and we're going to leave the building through the front doors by the office. In each room, we've got 4 sinks. This is where you're going to wash up, get your water, maybe dispense some chemicals, but that might not be proper depending on what we're using. But sinks are part of safety. At one of the sinks, you're going to have an eyewash station. Take the red cap off, pull the lever, point it at your face, and get a nice gentle stream of water for about 15 minutes to clean your eyes out. But we shouldn't need to ever do that because you're always going to wear these lovely things called goggles, which are found in the white goggle box on the other side of the room from the exit. Notice how they're all in there nice and neat. The blue strings aren't very neat, but they're all in there facing upwards so that the light on top of there can disinfect them. Don't worry, you'll never see it work because it only works when the doors are closed. We're always going to wear our goggles when we use heat, chemicals, glassware, or objects that could cause impact injuries. That's the fire extinguisher by the exit. I hope we never have to use it, but if we do, that's where it is. We're going to pull the pin and shoot the base of the flame. The other thing I hope we never have to use this year is the fire blanket, located near the whiteboard towards the front of the room. I hope we don't have to use it either, even if it makes a great cape for Miss Greathouse. The broken glass container is going to probably be shoved in some corner of the room and hopefully not pulled out very often, but it's not a trash can, so boys, no basketball in the broken glassware container. Only broken glassware, please. In the back of the room on the bookshelves, we're probably going to have some MSDS sheets. These are really important sheets that have information about the chemicals we're using in class, like how to clean it up, how to dispose of it, what not to mix it with, and how to handle it properly. It's important stuff. Your teacher's usually going to do most of the work, but just in case, you need to know where they are. By the whiteboard, there's an office call button. Yeah, it looks like that. It's pretty boring, but in case we needed to get a hold of the office, that's what we'd push. We could get them down here real fast. In the back, we've got that safety shower. It's pretty cool. You never see it, but if we had to use it, you'd pull on that triangle and you get wet real fast. I hope we don't need it this year. Also back there, we got where our chemicals are stored. On the left, we've got some of the dry stuff, and it's by shelf and alphabetized, and it's good. On the right, we've got the stuff that's locked up, like corrosive acids that would destroy your hand, and the flammable stuff that we can light on fire. Fire marshal needs to know about this stuff. We take care of it for you. Yep, safety isn't always an everyone thing. Safety is proactive, not reactive, and safety is super important to your success this year. You're going to have a quiz over some of this stuff on Friday, so be safe and have fun.